G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Red Rooster. They've got a brand new $5.50 crunch time box. Offer not available in New South Wales or ACT. So let's whip into Red Rooster and see exactly what we get inside this crunch time box. Let's go. Alright, well here we go, the $5.50 crunch box from Red Rooster. Not available in New South Wales or ACT. It's got a bit of weight about it. Let's see how much it does weigh. Wow! 450 odd grams. Probably more around the 430 gram mark, but gee, that's a good weight. Although, what I must say is the person serving me recognised me and, well, she said her father watches me all the time. Or at least he used to, she said. Anyway, to her dad, you raise a wonderful daughter. Anyway, let's see what we get inside this crunch box. Woohoo. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa, mate! Now the $5.50 crunch box, which isn't available in New South Wales or ACT, is 2 pieces of crispy, crunchy fried chicken and small chips. Well, these chips look pretty good, sort of. And what 2 pieces did I get? Well, I got that one. Gee, that's looking nice. And look at this one. Ah, that's huge. Is that from an emu? Well, let's try some of their chips. It's been a long while since I've had some Red Rooster chips. Could have been cooked a little longer. A little grainy. Then a little dry in the back of the throat. Close to being awesomely seasoned too. They're alright. And just check out this piece of fried chicken. I'm pretty sure my cardiologist disapproves. But I certainly don't. Oh, yeah, let's try some of this. Well. It's got a real taste of crispy bacon about it. Don't ask me why. But it's pretty good. It's not overly salty, but it's crunchy, it's crispy. It's got a little bit of flavour, but not too much. Their fried chicken is actually really good. If you're sick of KFC's fried chicken, you should give this a go. It's tasty and crunchy, and it's well coated. Oh! It's piping hot! Oh! Oh, I think I burnt my tongue. I should have taken up that offer for the $2 can of drink. Oh, at least that could have cooled my tongue down a bit. But, mate, burnt tongue or not, that chicken tastes pretty good. Oh, that was so juicy. And this is just falling apart. Oh, and burning. Don't worry, there won't be a lawsuit. But yeah, I mean, this is the other piece of chicken. The other one I just can't even hold. And this one, well, it still feels pretty hot. I probably shouldn't bite into it. But I'm glad I did, because that tastes pretty awesome. And just look at that chicken. Well, that's a pretty good meal. So I wonder what score I'll give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $5.50. Ah, whoopsie daisy. For $7.50, I could have got 2 bits of chicken, the chips and a drink. Mate, that's a bargain. Especially at 450 odd grams. Flavour wise, well, the chips today weren't awesome. They were a little bit undercooked maybe. Didn't have that awesome crunch and crispiness that the Red Rooster chips normally have. It could have been seasoned a little bit more, but anyway. Then the chicken, mate, that chicken, it's really good. I really love the coating on it. It's nice and crispy, and the crunch of that chicken. It sounded like my back when I'm hopping out of bed in the morning. It's not overly flavourful, but the flavours that it does have are pretty good. It's tasty. And the chicken inside's nice and juicy. It's meaty. It's tasty. I'm liking it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the $5.50 crunch box, mate, honestly, this definitely deserves a... Well, that is crunchy. 9.5 out of 10. Would have got a higher score if the chips were a little bit better today, but the chicken is so tasty, and all up it was a pretty tasty and decent sized meal. And dude, if you go to get one, I know you're gonna like it. Unless you live in New South Wales or ACT, where you're totally out of luck. Anyway, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Red Rooster. See you then. Ooh yeah.